So let us talk about the profit and loss appropriation account. What is the profit and loss appropriation account? First of all, it is prepared under partnership accounts and it is an extension to the profit and loss account. Extension means we are going to follow exactly the same pattern which we followed in profit and loss account, where we had two columns. All the expenses and losses were written on the debit side and all the incomes and gains were written on the credit side, and after comparing both the sides we got the net profit. So it is an extension to the profit and loss account and it is prepared to show how net profit is appropriated and distributed among the partners. So when we were making the profit and loss account, we were calculating the profits or the losses of the organization, but now we are talking about partnership. We have written down all the expenses and all the incomes done by the organization and we calculate the net profit. But in the partnership deed we might have certain more agreements, certain clauses where the partner is supposed to be paid certain salaries, where the partner is supposed to be paid certain commission. In this case, a net profit will not be what is shown in the profit and loss account. It will differ from the profit and loss. So we will prepare profit and loss appropriation account for the same. So let's see what the format is. The same format: particulars amount debit, particulars amount credit, right? So from your profit and loss account you're going to bring down the net profit. The net profit, whatever we calculated in the profit and loss account, we will bring it down on the credit side. We always bring it in the reverse side, brought from profit and loss account. So if there is any interest on drawings, let's suppose we have two partners A and B, so if there is any interest on drawings we will write them on the credit side, the interest on drawings combining of both A and B. And what are you going to write on the debit side? Anything. This was a net profit. Let's suppose like it can be any amount. It can be 5,000, 6,000, 10,000. The company is telling us that we are having a profit of 10,000, but if we have to pay salaries to the partner, if we have to pay commission to the partner, then this will not be our net profit. Our profits are going to change. So, and these all clauses appear in your profit and loss and these all clauses appear in your partnership deed, because of which the profits changes, right? So once we are done with the profit and loss account, when we are going to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account, if we are given the net profit, we will go through the partnership deed. Basically in the question we will be given if there are any adjustments, if there is any salary paid, if there is any commission paid to the partner, we will be given that. So just we have to simply write them. On the debit side you will write interest on capital. If you are paying any interest on capital, so on the debit side the first item that will appear is interest on capital. So if the partners are receiving any interest on capital, you will write it on the debit side, right? Because their capital will change, their profits will change. If they are receiving any salary, this is partner's salary. If they are receiving any commission, this is again partner's commission. If two partners are there, A and B, A is receiving certain salary or B is receiving certain salary, or A is receiving commission and B is receiving commission, again it will be written on the debit side, because again the profits are going to change by this. And when are you going to write salary and commission? Only if it is mentioned in the partnership deed. So basically only these items appear here, not much. If any interest on capital is received by the partners, if any salaries are being received by the partners, if any commission is being received by the partner, if it is mentioned in the partnership deed, and if there is any interest on drawings by the partners, right? So you will write the items on the debit side and on the credit side, compare both the items, you will get your net profit here. You'll compare, you'll get the net profit, and then you can divide that between A and B, or if you have more partners, if you have more than two partners, you will divide it accordingly, according to the ratio that is mentioned in the partnership deed. If there is no ratio mentioned, then the profit is going to be divided equally, right? So the profits will basically increase or decrease. The capitals are going to change. A is capital, B is capital. The profits can increase or the profits can decrease depending upon the amounts that we are going to record here. So this is your basic and a very simple format of profit and loss appropriation account.